No oil KFC style tandoori chicken in air fryer. Can you get deep fried crunch on tandoori chicken using just an air fryer? My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make KFC style tandoori chicken in air fryer. It's gonna be having ultimate crunch. This is a 2.5 pound of the chicken. For tandoori chicken, use skinless chicken. Easy ingredients. Let's make some cuts on the chicken so all the tandoori marinade gets into the deep cuts. I'm making this time long cuts. 3 on each breast. So if you can see, the marinade, the flavors will get into deep cuts. Let's match the leg with the long cuts as well. So here is our chicken. It's ready to get to be tandoori marinated first. 1 tablespoon of the MSG, 1 tablespoon of the garam masala, 1 tablespoon of the fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of the black pepper, Kashmiri red chili powder. It will give the color and it will give the flavor too. 2 tablespoons of it. Here goes the salt, half tablespoon of the salt. Dry marinade done. Wet ingredients. This is GG paste. So 1 GG paste, 2 and 3. Plain yogurt, 1, 2 and 3. 3 tablespoons. Last but not least, a 1/4 tablespoon of the red food color. Take your sweet time, use your hand, massage everything on the chicken. Be gentle. Once you marinate, you have to leave this tandoori chicken at least for 30 minutes on the room temperature. Delicious chicken. Look at this beauty. It's been 30 minutes. I tried, okay? So it's been 30 minutes. Let's make the batter. Whole cup of all-purpose flour. Yellow cornmeal, 1 cup. Breadcrumbs, half cup is fine. Let's season our batter, better than KFC style. Onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, 1 tablespoon. It will be flavorful. Red chili powder or cayenne pepper you can use. Monosodium glutamate, 1 tablespoon. Thyme leaves, 1 tablespoon. Let's grab our salt, half tablespoon of the salt. Whisk it. In the tandoori chicken, we will add 3 tablespoons of the vinegar. It will create a watery texture, which will help you in the coating of the batter. Plus, it helps for the acidity as well, just on top of it. Some glove. Grab the whole chicken. Look at this. Land it right here. Grab the batter and just cover it. Whole chicken is completely ready to get into air fryer. Put it on air crisp. Time is 30 minutes. Temperature is 350. And here you go. Look at this moment of truth. Let's land this here. It's been 25 minutes since we added our delicious, no oil tandoori KFC style chicken in the air fryer. Let's do a sneak peek. Okay, it looks halfway done in 25 minutes. We will reduce the temperature to 300. It was cooking for 25 minutes. The results are not good enough. 30 more minutes to it and wait for another 33 minutes. This is exactly 1 hour and 45 minutes later since we started this process. KFC style tandoori chicken. Wow, look at this. I got the little bit shiny oil spray. If you want this, you can use it. If you don't want it, don't use it. So it will look like it's just fried in the oil, but it's air fried. It's above 165, so chicken is ready. Let's get into the thigh, and yes, it's ready. We are using ready-made sauce with this. I'm using chipotle, some fresh dill weed. Let's grab the whole basket, land it right here. Whole chicken goes here. Let's do a taste test now. So here you go. Let's try to pull the leg. And yes, we were able to pull the whole leg. Look at the tandoori at the bottom. Look at the crust on top. It's a little bit time consuming, but my friend, this is the delicious, no oil, air fried, crispy KFC style of the drumstick. Oh my God. 100% better flavor than KFC by itself. All the way, oh my God, it's juicy from the inside, moist. It has the crust on top. Fresh delivered. Make this recipe, surprise your friends and family. But this recipe is a new recipe, bomb recipe, viral recipe. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, join the Hungry Army. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and bye-bye for now. Half of the chicken is gone.